Today, world is facing a very dangerous situation created by China, that is dictatorship is there, and so other many countries are similar to China like Pakistan, North Korea, and many other Muslim countries. They don't believe in Loktantra, democracy. Democracy is the only solution of all problems like terrorism and land jihad, other jihad, and the Chinese and other similar problems, because democracy gives the right to each and every citizen to criticize the leadership, to criticize the policies, to criticize what is not fit to the world. But during dictatorship, there is no option but to opt the policies of the government, and this is the only reason being this situation created by China, because China is ruled by dictatorship like any other dictator mind countries in the history. You can see there was Hitler, who was ruled over maximum world, but at last he was destroyed. He created situation of Second World War, and this is the situation now playing by the China and inviting Third World War, but it is decided by the dictator, by the democrats like America and India, to crush the situation of Third World War, and it is very much final. Before this war, China will defeat, China will be cast, and no more this type of problem will sustain in the world, because the two nations, the America is the oldest country and the India is also same, the great democracy and oldest democracy. These are the friends Trump and Modi. They will naturally, they will physically, they will any other means of mode will control this bloody China, who has given corona and other problems to the world, and now the time has come to boycott China, Chinese items, Chinese policies. There are some people in favor of China like Congress and Communist, because China funded these bad elements to create problems in other countries. The problem of blackish and whitish created in America, behind this was China, and Seinbag etc. and Delhi Dange, the behind the picture was China, and now the other elements are active. with the support of China, but the game is over now, and I appeal all each and every citizen of democracy in the world, but just to boycott the dictatorship, wherever dictatorship, that should not be supported at all. And if you want to take the world towards peace and harmony, we will have to boycott all dictatorships like North Korea, America and Khadi countries, and then only the world will be safe. We will have to boycott terrorism and dictatorship and communism. This is the only message. Please share if you agree. Thank you. Bye. Okay, friends.